What's going on, guys? Foxtrot here. Today I will be showing you how to make a very simple, easy, and relatively cheap Pro Stasis machine. Now keep in mind that this is most useful for straight vanilla servers or anarchy servers, essentially servers with no /TPA or none of that teleporting commands. These are the materials you would need. Just take all that. 25 building blocks, 7 honey, 8 kelp, some ender pearls, and the rest, as you can see. For the emerald, it can be replaced with a redstone lamp instead. So let's get straight to it. Place a building block here. Your trapdoor. Do a sticky piston facing up. Get your 7 honey blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright. Get your redstone lamp or your emerald block. Put it there. Your lever. Now get your building blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take this one out. You want to build it up to a total of 8 high. So that's already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, build it up to this height. That should be enough building blocks. Put this up so that way the water, when you place it down, it doesn't fall out. Place your grass or dirt block here. Get my water bucket. And if you're doing this to survival, you can use some scaffolding to get up here, or just build up. Place your water right here. Alright, and place your 8 kelps until you get all the way to the top. And that way it makes all 8 water sources into 1 water source each. Get your sign. Once you break this block, place it like that. And now your observer. So this is where you want to get your temporary block, which would be the cobblestone. Place your temporary block right there. And now place your observer. So you want to make sure your observer is pointing towards the piston, whatever that triangle is pointing towards. And this is it. And as you can see, when you flip the switch, it's on. Now you just get your ender pearls. See, now it's off. So you turn it on. Try to get aligned as center as you can. Press your F3 command, your F3 button. And where you see over here, you want to measure to an angle of negative 87.3 to negative 87.7. So negative 87.5 will work. You throw it up. As you can see, sometimes it doesn't always work, but essentially you just want to get it to a point where it's going to stay on and get stuck. So let's keep trying. You see how it got stuck right there? You know, usually the higher it gets stuck, the better, but it all works the same. Now just keep in mind, when you are in the overworld, and this is built in the overworld, you can only teleport from the overworld. So if you're on an anarchy server or a vanilla server and you have some base mates or even an alternative account to teleport you back, then you have to be in the same dimension this was built in. So this wouldn't work in the nether because there wouldn't be any water sources. But if you were in the end, or you're traveling through the nether highways or whatever, make sure you get back to the overworld and Now you can teleport yourself back with a base mate. So let's say I'm 200,000 blocks away or something. My base mate teleports me back. As you can see myself, I get teleported back into the stasis machine. And also keep in mind that in really low TPS, the TPS will mess it up sometimes. So the best possible solution is to build this about 5 chunks away from your base, at least 5 chunks. So you might want to build it more sometimes, because when it's loaded, when those chunks are loaded and there's really bad TPS, or when the chunk is loaded and the person that placed the pearl dies, that pearl would disappear and you will have to travel all the way back.